Heliboard is the trademark of a unique temporary heliport of OOHASHI Co. Limited, Japan. Heliboard is comprised of polyethylene plates named Repy Board. Installation of Heliboard starts from laying plastic sheets on the field. Then Repy Boards are laid on the plastic sheets. Each Repy Board has its unique number to ensure smooth installation. 36 pieces of Repy Boards are firmly anchored to the ground with steel piles. Heliboard was completed in 2 hours. A helicopter is approaching Heliboard. Heliboard is marked with a white circle and a letter H, and clearly visible from distance even at night by virtue of luminous paint glowing in the dark. The helicopter landed on Heliboard with no trouble. The helicopter starts hovering on Heliboard, and Heliboard remains solid. Removal of Heliboard is as easy as its installation. A Repy Board weighs 34 kilograms only and can be easily hand-carried. Removal of Heliboard was completed within 2 hours.